I think last week we like played with the fraction models a little bit, like we moved things around, but
yeah,
with something like this, with the equivalent fractions, with what they're, and with OLS, I would need to have fraction bars that are like, I need to have like a bazillion of them because I need to have like so many denominators, you know?
show them something. It's weird on ClassKick. I can't. There we go. I was like, I don't have the back arrow. Like I'm assuming in your math, I was just trying to see like some of those problems. I think you showed them that they were working on today.
Mm-hmm.
Or no? Like I'm curious what the numbers are.
Go to my go to my Q3 exit tickets. My math.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. I was like, I know you have something in here.
So this was like today's exit ticket, and this was straight from the book that they had to do yesterday. And a lot of them were like, I did it. I already did this. I already did this. And then when they had to do it, it was like nobody, you know, like, yeah.
Did they do like, okay, because I'm looking at it. Because where we are. So like, did they do this bottom part?
So, or like, did they? I created that for them, and I modeled on the screen like, oh, we have to think of some multiples first, and then do the work below. And so it ended up, if you look at their, if you like view their work,
oh yeah, probably smart.
Like I had to start doing the multiples on the screen. They didn't, like a lot of them were trying to use factors instead of multiples. So they started listing like numbers that would go into it.
Got it.
Like this is Kimari though. Like she has for her multiples 9 for 9, 9, 18, 7. Maybe she meant 27.
Maybe.
And she just part or two. But then she doesn't have any of the work up there because then I did the work on the thing, and then so she just put the right answer.
I mean, not that it affected her final answer, but like Ebony, she did 18, then 26 instead of 36.
Yeah,
I'm wondering, so like, again, I'm like trying to slow down my own brain and thinking when I think about it. Right. And I noticed this has the larger number first that they're writing out the factors.
Yeah. And the reason why I did that is because it's like, you really don't have to find like them that many multiples for this one. Like, because I don't want them like, because sometimes it's like, then the smaller number, then they're just finding multiples for a long, long time until you get to the big number. So that's a strategy, I don't know, that I use with Sawyer and that I was using with them, because it's like, just do like 2 of these and then go to the bottom one and think about if you can get to it. But I didn't model trying to find it on the multiplication chart first. I just kept saying the multiplication chart there is down there if you like, but I didn't model it.
So I'm curious, like almost like flipping it, because that's what I hear you saying is like that big number, right? So if they did the smaller number first and went across for 9s, like they could see they don't even have to, but maybe saying something like, in this case with the 20 and the 8, like if they went across 8 and they get past 20, get a number higher than 20, then you need to go up to the top number. What would be the next factor? Okay, now you can go back to your 8s and keep going. I don't know, like, because I know that's what I'm doing mentally. So it's like, but it seems like they don't have that piece. Does that make sense? Or is that